We're going to be doing a HydroKleen process on the indoor coil, the blower wheel, and then also the outdoor condensing unit. So part of what we do is once we open that system up, I'm looking for general cleanliness, and there's actually quite a bit of microbial growth inside this system. So this is a perfect candidate for HydroKleen. This is the microbial growth that accumulates inside of systems. This is part of this microbial growth is going to affect the indoor air quality for the family inside the home, but also it's going to start to affect the performance of the system. If it starts to get completely restrictive of that coil, the airflow will be reduced, thus affecting the efficiency of the system and start to cause higher utility bills and lower that comfort level inside the home. So right now we're going to be removing the blower wheel and assembly. That way that can also be cleaned out. So we got this cleaning agent here. It's 100% natural. It actually comes from the same company that made the HydroKleen. It's completely safe. It's no chemicals or anything like that. It's kind of like the equivalent of a citrus cleaner, 100% safe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the coil down. That way we can loosen up any type of microbial growth, but also it can help kill it. So that way whenever we go to the HydroKleen process, it comes right off. Put a little bit in the drain, because the drain is also where a lot of gunk is, so we're going to wash that out also. So now we're going to just start pressure washing the coil surface. This washes that microbial growth right off of the system. So we're going to be HydroKleening all the microbial growth and buildup that's on that blower wheel completely off. We've cleaned the indoor coil, the blower wheel, and then also the outdoor condensing unit. And now this family is nice and clean, and now on to the next job.